Managing your employees is simple with the Manage Employee tab. From here, you can see all the employees currently in your system and make any changes necessary to their status or information. From the dashboard, click the Employee Management tab. Then click Manage Employee. If you're looking to update their status of employment, you can activate or inactivate them. For example, if an employee no longer works for the company, you'll want to make sure they are inactivated. To do this, click the green box under Status. It will then ask you if you want to inactivate. Click OK. The box will now be yellow. Once again, if they leave the company, just inactivate them. Do not delete them. If you're just looking to update information or edit an employee, click on the pencil to the right of the employee. This will open up the field so you can edit the name, ID number, department, or add an email or phone number.